Hey everybody, Chris Barron here. Thanks for switching over to Mode Go. Back where it all began, Summit Point Raceway and the MX-5. At least I'm pretty sure this is where it started. I feel like it is. A lot of changes since then. Upgraded brake, which wow, I've noticed. Upgraded direct drive, which yeah, I noticed. Upgraded driver mod, probably the number one thing you need. And yeah, I'm now C class. We're the only C class. I'm the number 4 car. I qualified P5. We got the Mode Go livery going on. Woo woo! Let's see what we can do. Today's drink of choice is water.
The estimated SOF is 1,314.
Luke Perez got a 121, which is pretty impressive. Yeah, I didn't run a terrible time, but I thought I would have. Yeah, the number 4 car got beat by the number 6, 7, and 8 cars, so take that for what you will. Alright, let's see how it goes. Come on, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Green flag, green flag.
Decent start. Not sure why he's moving over. You want to be on the right side, yeah.
Car on your left. Clear. Car on your left. Stay on the right. Clear on the left.
Clean. Broke a little too early there. Ooh, he's getting out of sorts.
Car on. Clear. Car on your left.
Whoa! He really threw that in there. That was pretty scary seeing him do that. Oh man.
Go right.
Shit. Look at me giving it throttle. Oh, spoke too soon. Man, we were doing so great. Shit. Man. Alright. Well, let's see what we can do. We're not all the way to the back.
Great job. Good to go.
Great job. What is he talking about?
Slow car ahead. Car stopped ahead. Car stopped ahead. Car stopped ahead. Car stopped ahead. Go right. Go right. Go right. There's an incident ahead.
Okay. 7th place. I mean, how do you avoid that without getting an off track, you know? They were taking up the whole thing. I think I can brake a little later, depending on how much speed I'm carrying in there. Alright, 10 seconds behind. Suppose it didn't help I had to go around those guys, but what are you gonna do? Part of the game, huh? Yeah, just lost a little time there. And I believe my car has some damage too, because normally I'm getting up to 5th gear, or at least fighting 5th. Potentially trying to decide between 4th and 5th, and I'm barely ringing out 4th. Samuel out here flying. Alright. I got about a second on Selesh.
Slow car ahead. Slow car ahead.
Perfect.
Go right.
Perfect. That's my rating right there, 26. Woo! Okay, the more I'm using this direct drive, the more I'm noticing some of the differences between a direct drive and a belt driven. I mean, in the turns, like, you just feel all these tiny little changes. Oh, I turned it way too early there. Whereas the belt is kind of pulling, you know? It's like pulling the wheel. This is just kind of like tiny little movements back and forth. Right where we started. Alright, I'm 11 seconds behind. I'm losing time. think they're done barking. Crazy dogs. Tiago's pulling on me. No. Keep it on track. Oh, come on. Ugh. There shouldn't be a possibility at this track.
All the damage is repairable.
Fuck. I just tried to stay in it. I was looking at that guy continuing to pull away from me, and I thought, I just gotta find some time, and that wasn't it. I should have just let off the gas just a little bit. Dang it, man. Oh, there goes my I rating.
That's it, go.
Alright, 19 seconds behind. Nope, 20, sorry. Oh. Fresh tires? Probably. That sucks. I suppose, I mean, at this point in time. And the race. Just put some fake wall there. not there, but, you know, where I fell off the course. See, I can already tell that this car doesn't have the damage that my previous car did, and how fast I'm getting on some of these straights. I saw him up there. I saw him turning. Well, I know this isn't going to be the last one I do with this week. See, that's all it took. That little dip in gas right there would have saved me. So I essentially took myself out twice. Oh well. It is what it is. P9.
Solid work.
Alright, well, I gotta go get ready for my next race. Do I know what it is? No. Well, you know what it is? You can watch it tomorrow. Of course, check out Mode Go. I'm also on Twitch, ChrisJames654. Please like and subscribe. And enjoy the rest of your day, you beautiful son of a bitch.